Spencer and Remy's channel, and today we are going to explain the world of Plants vs Zombies, how it works, what the plants do, and how to get the program.
Have you ever wondered where to get Plants vs Zombies, the video game? Well, if you don't have it, we can tell you where to get it, and this is where you get it. It is on Google Play at microscopes.com.
In the game Plants vs Zombies, did you know what to do? Because when we looked at a video, we had no idea on what to do. But after some research, we know a bit about it. But anyway, back to the answer. What you do is defend your home from a zombie attack with strategically placing different types of plants in your garden.
Plants vs Zombies was created by a Georgia fan, with the first game released by PopCap Games.
Have you ever wondered when Plants vs Zombies was created? Well, today is your lucky day. It was created 16 years ago, May the 5th, 2009, and yet it has been a sensation.
In the game Plants vs Zombies, you must defend your home from zombies by strategically placing different types of plants in the horizon lanes to stop them from reaching your home.
There are many different kinds of plants such as pea shooter, snow pea, cabbage pulp, and many more.
The plants are actually based on real, live plants in your garden.
It is a tower defense game, but the basics are offense, defense, support, and special abilities.
So now you know about 10 good facts about this game and how it works, and probably it will be bigger sensations in many, many more years, and so with other video games as well.
We hope you enjoyed our video. Please like and subscribe. Spencer and Remy out. See ya.